Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Express Fairway Freight LLC. This is Shaista with you with a new video and a new topic. Today we will discuss about why company registration in Dubai Municipality is necessary. For importing and exporting food item, you need FIRS. I have already uploaded a video on FIRS you can find in our YouTube channel. Without FIRS, you cannot clear your shipment. For making FIRS, you must need to get your user credentials in Dubai Municipality portal. In order to get user credential, you need to register your company in DM portal. We at Express Fairway Freight are in this important market since past several years. We are best in getting company registration in Dubai Municipality. We are here to serve you better in your every need. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in description box. Thank you.